Hi guys, so today I have a Casio A158W watch I got from the thrift store. I got this for 15 Australian dollars and it is very well loved watch. You can see all the scratches on it. But the thing that got me the most was underneath the wrist bands. It's all these things. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's actually alive or not. It is so gross. So I'm going to attempt to clean it out and doing a bit of Google research, find out that steam cleaner is probably the way to go. I guess there's hand brushing, but I think steam cleaning would actually get in those nooks and corners of the metal bands here. So this one is I got this from ALDI, 30 Australian dollars. Not a lot of good reviews, but just need, because I'm trying it out, so hopefully it'll do the job. So let's start by taking apart the wristbands from the watch. Alright, if you can ignore that gross thing that's living in there, it looks like it's a spring bar in between in here. So I just need to get some screwdriver or a spring bar tool remover, get it in there, and then I can release the wristbands from the watch. Alright, so I got a micro flathead screwdriver. This kind of screwdrivers are for like toys and removing screws from your glasses or spectacles. I use this one because this guard here, I don't know where to put it. This space here is just too small, so I need something to get in here, which is perfect for this. So I got in here, so it should be easy to, yeah, it took no time at all. Oh my god, I think that's like potato chips or something like that. Okay, let's try oh, where's my new one? Okay, so this is a spring bar tool remover from AliExpress. I think the prices have gone up now. I previously got it for like $1 or $2, but it's probably like $3 or something like that now. But it is just too wide to get in. Try my best to get it out. Oh, okay. So whatever tool, well, you will get it in easily. Okay, now I'm gonna get something to clean this. I'm probably gonna use this lens cleansing wipe. It's pre-moistened for like glasses. I'm just gonna clean this lens. This watch. And just skip this part. Oh my goodness, so gross. Can't even get it out. Yeah, that is one scratch part here. Probably need like cotton bud to get in those corners there. I don't think I'm gonna use the steam cleaner on the watch. I might wreck it. Okay, gonna get some cotton bud to clean the insides here. I got my glasses lens cleaner spray. Cotton bud. I'm gonna spray some on my cotton bud. Did I even get it? Scratch. Okay, so that's that for the watch head. I mean the watch. So now let's get that steam cleaner all heated up and clean the wristband. Oh, forgot to clean the rods. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see how dirty this is first. Oh yeah, this is the gross part. Okay, get out of the shadow. This is before. Okay, let's clean it now. This thing's hot. Shadow. It's a bit dirty there. Next. Yeah, it's hot. Mega clean. This one. It's not too bad on this side, but this side is cleaner than the other side. Go ahead and remove this bit as well. Okay. Gotta pause this and remove that clamps. Thing's hot. Done. Okay, so there you go. Super clean, and the hot steam probably cleared off any bacteria that was living on this wristband. and it took like minutes. So probably worth investing in a steam cleaner to clean the wristbands, especially metal ones. And it's easy to get through these kind of spots here, like this. Oops. Still not dry yet, but I'm just gonna let it dry out, and that's it. Cool. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. So yeah, steam cleaner for cleaning these style beds.